What is up? We are at the pond demo. Alright guys, it's Nate here at Brookside Landscape Design, but of course you're not because you're on our channel and you've probably seen my face before. We're getting to the meats and potatoes of the build. Since we excavated the old pond, or demoed an old pond, there's this big hole here and we're not building our pond to that dimension. We're actually shrinking it in a little bit. So what we got to do is we got to put some soil in there to be able to shape it, because trying to build a pond on a flat plane is a lot harder than building it into a hole, if that makes sense. You'll see what we're doing. Anyway, so what we're doing today is our liner and our felt and our rockery. Might try to tackle the skimmer, but we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna get to. What we are shaped, except for Alex caving in a wall. Super cool. We got our fish cave. Biofalls is dug in. Our skimmer's dug in. We're getting ready to put on our liner. Keen-eyed among you will notice that my hair is wet because of the water, but it's not really cool working next to the water because of the birds. And I'll just leave it at that. I'll let you use your imagination as to why my hair is washed. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna get to rocking in the pond finally. We're gonna start rocking, baby. All right, middle end, I don't know, what time is it? It's 2:30 on a Wednesday. Day 2 of building, and we've got our pond is mostly rocked in, except for a couple things over there. I've got to get creative with some rock. And we've got our first spillway underneath this liner that goes into the pond. We're gonna have another one in here that we're prepping for. But then I remembered that while our pond and our pump is over here, our power is right there underneath this concrete. So while this would have been a heck of a lot easier to do before there was a bunch of rocks here and a big hole already existed, we're gonna open up for our little whatever. We gotta get a pipe underneath, like a Texas conduit for all of our wires. So we're actually gonna get 2 underneath. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, wish me luck. Anyway, but other things we've done today, we got our skimmer attached. It's all siliconed up so I can rock around it. We've got a pretty cool planting pocket there. That was my kind of creative solution to use that whole corner of liner. I mean, we need a planting pocket anyway. So, and then our fish cave is, you can kind of see it right there. So they can hide from the coons. So the raccoons, those dang raccoons. I'm gonna get to. See ya in the next bit of talking. right, guys, we're done with construction. Technically, we're getting to kind of the final bits of our cleanup here. I can't stop looking at this thing because I just love the waterfalls. I love the spillways. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So anyway, I gotta dip out, get some time in at the office before Adam comes back from Hawaii. But pretty cool project. Anyway, if you guys like this video, like this project, like water features, or like my face, it's so beautiful and perfect to me. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you can get notified when we post more videos. And then go ahead and like, comment on the video. Tell me how badly you want one of these in your backyard. I mean, literally off the back deck here. So anyway, have a good one, folks. Stay tuned for the next video. I love you. Goodbye.